Welcome to the future of agriculture, where AI-powered systems and autonomous robots manage hundreds of Brahman cattle across.
The core temperature average is up slightly on this group.
Let's cross-reference that with the movement data from the gate. The optimized feed mix is working wonders.
The weight gain metrics are up 20% since we installed the AI. The AI suggests a 95% compatibility score here.
Yes, the growth patterns look exceptional. We should confirm the pairing.
The growth rate on this group is exceptional. Yes, the feed conversion ratio has improved significantly since we implemented the new system. Harnessing the power of the sun and advanced AI, this Brahman farm redefines sustainable ranching. The thermal scan confirms optimal body condition.
Yes, the movement analysis looks good too.
The system tagged this one for the high yield group. Impressive accuracy on the weight distribution. Sensor array reports 99.8% sanitation on Group C.
Acknowledged. Proceed to the next phase.
The Brahman cattle undergo comprehensive AI identification and health inspection before proceeding to the automated washing stage.
Scan confirms optimal thickness and zero contamination on batch 7.
Good. Let's maintain this throughput for the next cycle.
Monitor the viscosity levels in tank 3. The AI is increasing the flow. Confirmed. The target color saturation is stable.
Here, AI systems meticulously scan for imperfections, guaranteeing the highest quality finish.
Everything looks optimal on Sector Gamma. The new routing algorithms have drastically reduced bottlenecking.
Here is your beautiful new handbag, madam, and the receipt. Enjoy it. It is absolutely stunning. Thank you so much. Seriously, you have to get that one. It looks amazing on you. Oh, stop. You're making me blush. But I think I will. It's perfect for the gala next week.
Look at this shade of blue. It's absolutely stunning.
It is. The holographic display shows how you can customize the clasp.
Look at how it shines. It's stunning. I know, the burgundy is exquisite.